this is another egg.
Yeah.
I think I started doing eggs quite a long time ago, and then I just had these in a folder someplace. So now I'm
adding to them.
I made it a lot nicer with all the white and different lines on it.
Yeah, the white really adds something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that's another one with a little face.
Cute face.
He's a cutie.
Little freckles
Mm-hmm.
and a dog. He looks like Mr. Bill. Oh no, Mr. Bill! Oh no!
He's a happy little guy.
Oh.
And this is purely
That's
decorative.
Beautiful.
Kind of swirly and feathery.
Love it. Looks like some kind of biology.
Mm-hmm.
What is that creature?
I don't know. There's an
like
eye.
An embryo of some sea creature.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Oh, that's really cool.
Has a lot of movement to it.
Yeah.